Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book other appointments. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired time slot. Alternatively, click on the New Booking button. The AddEdit booking screen will open. Click on the Type drop-down menu and select the Out of Office option. Click on the Cancel button if you do not wish to proceed with the booking. Click on the Save button in order to book out the chosen time slot. Please note that this booking type will be displayed as not billable in the diary sidebar. If necessary, you are able to free up a time slot within the booking. Double-click on the booking to open the AddEdit booking screen once more. A Create Vacancy button will become available. Click on the Create Vacancy button to open the Create Vacancy screen. Here, you're able to select the time frame wherein an opening can be made. Click on the Cancel button if you do not wish to proceed with creating the vacancy. Otherwise, click on the Create Vacancy button to proceed. An open time slot will appear for you to add any desired bookings on.